Welcome back to another video, guys. So Madam Glam have done a mid-month kind of launch. So these are nudes, 4 of them in the set, and they are sheer kind of nudes. So quickly, we've got Friendly, Simplicity, Flirty and Pearly. I'm going to give them just a quick swatch and do a quick cute design with them. On Madam Glam website, they've got 5 bottles, and depending on how opaque or sheer they are, so these get a 2 out of 5 on that little scale thing for sheerness, so they are quite sheer. You can build the colour up if you want them more opaque, or put them over a white. But yeah, they were been quite popular this year, haven't they? These sheer kind of nude colours. You can get 30% off as well, Madam Glam products, using my code unpolished30. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. So I'll let you watch these last couple, and I will give them a second coat off camera. Okay, so that's them all had 2 coats. They're still a little bit sheer, but not much. I like them. I like the one on the left and the one in the middle in particular. Can you see? They're not very sheer, are they? That's after just two thin coats as well. So from the left, we've got Friendly, then Simplicity, then Flirty, and then Pearly. Yeah, the first and the third are my favourites. So I'm just going to do a quick little design using these 2 colours, Friendly and Pearly. And I'm going to just give these nails a quick base coat. I always prefer my gel polish to go over a base coat. I just think it applies so much better. So I'm going to start out by doing just an ombre. So I'm going to put the Pearly colour on the top of the nail, just thin coats, and then I'm going to put Friendly on the bottom. Don't worry about your first coat, it does look a bit patchy, and they look extra patchy on this set because they are sheer. So I'm just going to use the Madam Glam detail brush, swipe side to side just like I always do my ombres, just mix those colours in the middle. I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to give it a second coat. It does look a lot smoother, blends a lot better on your second coat, and if you feel like doing a third coat, you can just keep your coats thin and do a third coat if you want. So I've done same thing on that other nail. So these 2 nails that are left over are just going to have 2 coats of this colour. I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. I really struggled with this set because you all know I love my bright bold colours. So I really struggled as to what to do with them. But I think they turned out really smart. What I like about these sheer colours as well, they've kind of got that acrylic hard gel look to them with the little bit of transparency. So I'm using a mini decal. These are from Divine Decals. You can get 10% off using my code Aggie10. She has got the most amazing decals. She's got a whole range of all sorts, really cool, unique stuff. I will leave her link in my description box as well. So I'm going to colour the back of it in white because, like most decals, they have to go on a white background. So I'm using a white stamping polish. I'm just going to colour the back of it in. And I'm just going to leave that off to the side to dry and do a couple of nails whilst we're waiting for that to dry. Can you see it's so much more vibrant on a white background? So I've pulled out this holographic glitter. It's just a fine glitter with tiny hex in it as well. So I'm just going to put this glitter into the wet base coat. This one is just going to have a glitter fade coming up from the tip. So I'm going to pack it in quite busy and quite full at the tip and just fade it off up the nail. And the other nail, I'm just going to do a bit of a swoosh going up it. And once I've got the glitter in place, they're going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds. This glitter is beautiful. It is so sparkly. I love it. Right, so that's the glitter cured into place now. So this decal has dried. We're going to get this stamped on now. Isn't she cute? Perfect for this design. Perfect colours. So I'm just going to stamp her on there. And I'm just going to pat her down at the edges with my finger. Just so when I top coat it, none of that top coat goes underneath. Perfect. Yeah, I quite like the look of these sheer polishes. Kind of gives it an acrylic look, doesn't it? So I'm going to get that sealed in now with a top coat, but whilst the top coat's wet, I'm just going to put a couple of little hex out of that glitter. Just a couple at the bottom, 3 I think I did, and 3 at the top. And I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now I'm just using an old top coat to encapsulate this glitter. You don't want to get any glitter in your nice Madame Glam top coat. So yeah, just use an old one to encapsulate these glitter nails. And I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. And I'm going to give the nails a little buff just so that they're perfectly smooth, because I'm obsessed with smooth nails. Right, so this is where we're at. They've all been buffed nice and smooth. So I'm using Madame Glam's white gel paint, and I'm just going to do a couple of stars. So I'll start by doing little dots with a dotting tool, and then a really skinny brush, just pull a line up it, down it, across it. Just use that white dot that you've done with the dotting tool. Use the gel in that white dot just to pull the lines out, up, down, left, right. And then I'm just going to put a couple of little teeny weeny little white spots kind of thing, and I'm going to stick one on the other nail as well. These cure in the lamp for 60 seconds and they don't cure with a tacky layer. So I'm going to get these finished now with some bling. How cute is this dangly? So cute. So it's like a butterfly with dangly little charms. I really struggled to get it to stay put whilst I cured it in the lamp. Anyway, let's get some gems stuck on these. I'm going to get them top coated and that'll be them finished. So I'm using Madame Glam's No Wipe top coat. Absolutely amazing glossy top coat this is. I love it. So I'm just going to use the brush, and I'm going to use a little detailer brush just to top coat all around those gems and stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds. How cute did they turn out? Look at the sparkle on the gems, on the glitter. Super, super sparkly set of nails, isn't it? I like them. So that's the colours again quickly. I like them. I do. I like them a lot. I like the look that it gives you. They are so sparkly. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Don't forget you can get 30% off Madam Glam using my code Unpolished30. You can get 10% off Divine Decals. I will leave all links and discount codes in my description box. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.